From Ask PH, ano ang madalas niyong mapansin sa mga taong secure sa sarili nila na mahirap hanapin sa ibang tao? Sabi ni BotBob, they never judge other people. And that's true. Kung secure ka sa sarili mo, then you don't have to compare yourself with other people. Alam mo kung saan ka magaling and ano yung kahinaan mo. And at the same time, you don't need to focus kung ano yung kahinaan or kung ano yung hindi maganda sa ibang tao. You instead focus kung ano yung nakikita mo maganda sa kanila and help them work it out, di ba? Next, sabi ni OKGap6654, they mostly have positive views in life and may smiley sa dulo. And super agree. Like, sino pang tao yung hindi nagkakaproblema, di ba? Lahat tayo, nagkakaproblema, nagkaka-issues, no one's perfect. Pero the way we respond is what makes things different. Okay? We can choose drama, we can choose to complain a lot or be nega, and you know what? Tayo rin ang magdadagdag ng pressure at problem sa sarili natin. Whereas yung mga taong secure, they focus on being thankful, being contented, and at the same time, they focus on solutions, hindi on the problems. Ano bang pwede kong gawin dito para ma-resolve to? Ako ba yung may problem? Mataas yung self-awareness nila na baka sila yung may dapat ayusin and hindi sila laging naninisin ng ibang tao. Right? And from Adventure Junkie 11, they live simply. Wealthy or not, they are content with what they have and are always grateful. So guys, walang masama maging mayaman or gumastos ng malaki. Pinaghirapan mo yan eh. Pero at the same time, people na secure sa sarili nila, they don't put their value or identity dun sa mga bagay na ginagastos nila. Nilalagay nila yung identity and value nila on how they treat other people and how they make people happy as well. You don't have to be a people pleaser, but at the same time, hindi ka rin nanghihila ng ibang tao pababa or nakakasakit, di ba? Also, ito yung sinabi natin kanina, di ba? Na kahit hindi ka mayaman, you are always grateful for what you have. Mahalaga, may hangin ka in your lungs, you're capable of doing things, you're capable of working hard para mabago yung buhay mo, and that should be enough. So, ang bottom line talaga is don't chase kung paano ka magiging secure lang. Instead, chase and identify paano ka makaka-add ng value to the relationships around you.